My mama said life is like a box of chocolates. You never know what you're gonna get. Welcome to the University of Life, the place to be to find your inner self, where I, Yasmin Wilnis, bring the wandering together to form the living forever. Now, if you're a movie buff and you're a sucker for life lessons, then this episode is for you. About 3 weeks ago, I was the social media reporter for International Film Festival here in Rotterdam. I ran around the whole city and it was just a great feeling that I was able to showcase different movies, independent movies especially, events, and all these things on social media. It really sparked the love for movies inside of me again. Now, I'm a movie buff. I'm a sucker for rom-com and movies from the 80s. Hello, The Breakfast Club and The Goonies. Movies have set such a strong foundation for my creativity, and it's even come to a point where I actually speak in movie quotes. While I do look closely at their cinematography as well, what really speaks to me is the lessons that can be learned from movies. Strong quotes from characters that really put your life into perspective. Many movies have defined the person that I am today. I watch, I listen, I learn, and I implement it into my own life. So today I'm teaming up with Moviezone to give you 5 life lessons that we can learn from some of my favorite movies. And I'm doing so in the form of these famous movie scenes. Number 1, Rocky Balboa.
You, me, or nobody is gonna hit as hard as life. But it ain't about how hard you hit. It's about how hard you can get hit and keep moving forward. How much you can take and keep moving forward. That's how winning is done.
Now, all the Rocky movies are a complete source of inspiration, though this particular conversation that he had with his son really hit hard. Guys, keep going and never let one punch bring you down. It's also not about how long you're staying on the ground, as everyone has their own time of healing. It's about you being able to get up and show that you're winning at life. Number 2, Ferris Bueller.
Life moves pretty fast. You don't stop and look around once in a while, you could miss it.
Ferris Bueller, the high school rebel of the 80s, who is extremely smart, but also very mindful. This whole movie surrounds the idea of taking time to stop and take care of yourself. We're moving fast. I mean, the month of March is literally just around the corner. But when was the last time that you disconnected yourself from technology, from work, from your to-do list, and just took one day off? Take a minute or day for yourself and appreciate the things that life has to offer. Enjoy it while you still can. Number 3, Forrest Gump.
My mom always said life was like a box of chocolates. You never know what you're gonna get.
My favorite movie in the world, oh my god, is Forrest Gump. And not only because Forrest finds himself in the craziest situations, I just believe that the way the movie has been filmed in line with these realistic historic events is just pure genius. And this particular famous quote just teaches you to never have any expectations about anything. Life is one big mystery, and each day is a new day and a new piece of chocolate that we come to understand once we've taken a bite. You just never know what you're gonna get. So let go of what is to come and treat life like it's an unwritten story and your story to write. 4, The Lion King.
Ow! Jeez, what was that for?
It doesn't matter. It's in the past.
Yeah, but it still hurts.
Oh, yes, the past can hurt. But the way I see it, you can either run from it or learn from it. Ah, you see?
Ah, Rafiki, the wise baboon that teaches Simba 1 or 2 things about life. Our past defines the person that we become, though it's in the present that we can choose to either run from it or learn from it. Take experiences as a lesson of growth to become a source of wisdom and have a greater understanding of the person you truly are. Number 5, Finding Nemo.
When life gets you down, you know what you gotta do?
I don't want to know what you gotta do.
Just keep swimming, just keep swimming, just keep swimming, swimming, swimming. What do? We swim, swim.
Dory, no singing.
Dory is my favorite animation character and played by my absolute idol, Ellen DeGeneres. What I love about this scene is that in spite of the crazy situation that they found themselves in, where they've actually lost the very last clue to find Nemo, Dory just stays optimistic, always pushing forward in the most subtle way. To me, she is the definition of positivity, and that's something that we can definitely use a lot more of in our life. Now, I'd love to hear from you. What are some of the life lessons that you've learned from movies? Or what are some of your favorite quotes from movies? Comment below and let us know. This video has been made in collaboration with MovieZone. Now, MovieZone offers young people from 12 to 21 years old the opportunity to immerse themselves in all aspects of film. They let young people discover and further develop their film talents through online series, masterclasses, events, and different workshops. For more information, check out www.moviezone.nl, and you can even sign up to become one of the next movie reporters through either vlogging or blogging. Stay on your lane and keep moving forward. Keep your eyes on the horizon towards your city center. Keep dreaming and believing, and I will see you next time. Bye.